Make a great choice today with the 2019 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level. From its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power sunroof, rear window defroster, technology package, security system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.